Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to this amazing series called In More Question of the Day. The question of the day for today is find all the integers x, y, z with 2 is less than or equal to x is less than equal to y is less than equal to z such that xy is 1 mod z, xz is 1 mod y and yz is 1 mod x. So this is a very interesting question on number theory. You can pause this video, try this question for about 10 to 15 minutes and you can resume this for a hint that I'm going to give you right away. Right. So integers x, y, z, 2 is less than equal to x, less than equal to y, less than equal to z, xy is 1 mod z, yxz is 1 mod y and yz is 1 mod x. So this is a kind of symmetric equation. So अगर हम इस वाली चीज को देखते हैं, right? So xy is 1 mod z, so that means this is of the form zk1 plus 1, zk1 plus 1. So what does this tell us about? What does this tell us about x and z? Can I say यहाँ से एक चीज बहुत प्यार से दिखाई दे रही है that x and z are co-prime numbers. That means this is 1 and likewise y and z is also 1. Why is this? Why is this? You can pause this video, try to prove this yourself, this result yourself. But ये बहुत सिंपल सा रिजल्ट है इसका, इसलिए है बिकॉज अगर अज्यूम करते हैं कि x और z का ये से d है which is not 1, ठीक है, which is not 1. So इसका मतलब d divides xy, इसका मतलब d also divides z because इन दोनों का GCD d है. So that means d should also divide 1 and that means d is equal to 1. That means d is equal to 1. तो इसका मतलब इन दोनों का जो GCD है ना, इन दोनों का GCD is given that all these are positive integers, so d cannot be minus 1. d has to be 1. इनका मतलब इन दोनों का GCD has to be 1. y and z का GCD has to be 1 and likewise x and y का GCD will be 1 from the other two equations. Right? So this is the first hint. I hope ये चीजें सबको समझ में आ चुकी है. So अगर इन दोनों का GCD 1 है, इन दोनों का GCD 1 है, इन दोनों का GCD भी 1 है, and these are all the numbers which are greater than or equal to 2, that means this changes to 2 is less than equal to x is strictly less than y is strictly less than z. They cannot be equal. They cannot be equal because if they were equal, the GCD will not be 1, the GCD will be that number only. So 2 is less than equal to x, यहाँ से इन दोनों से equality हट जाएगी. So this is the first hint. You can pause this video now. अभी के अभी pause करो, देखो और क्या hint और क्या progress हो सकती है. Try this for 5 to 10 minutes before resuming this video. Right? चलिए. Now, xy is 1 mod z, xz is 1 mod y, yz is 1 mod x. So अगर हम सिर्फ इसकी बात करें, xy is 1 mod z, 1 mod z. Can I say yz is 0 mod z and xz is also 0 mod z because obviously ये दोनों तो z से divisible होंगे and if I add everything up, so xy plus yz plus zx will be 1 mod z. 1 mod z. इसका मतलब हम इसको ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि xy plus yz plus zx is also 1 mod y and similarly xy plus yz plus zx is also 1 mod x, is also 1 mod x. Right? तो हमने z के लिए तो प्रूफ कर दिया. This can be similarly proved for y. This can be similarly also proved for x. तो in general because I know कि x और z का GCD 1 है, y और z का GCD 1 है, x और y का भी GCD 1 है. तो इन तीनों को कंबाइन करके मैं लिख सकता हूं कि xy plus yz plus zx is also 1 mod of xyz. इसका मतलब xy plus yz plus zx minus 1 is equal to k times xyz is equal to k times xyz. So xy plus yz plus zx minus 1 is k times xyz. और अगर हम xyz से डिवाइड करते हैं, so we get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to k plus 1 upon xyz. K plus 1 upon xyz. So this is the equation that we have. Now you can again pause this video for 5 minutes. See if you can get some progress, if you can get some more hints to solve this before I resume this. Now, it is very obvious that k here is greater than or equal to 1. Because k has to be an integer, right? K has to be an integer. And since we are talking about all the positive integers, so k has to be greater than or equal to 1. So अगर k 1 या 1 से बड़ा है x, y, z integer है, so definitely this is greater than 1. Definitely right hand side is greater than 1 because k is already greater than or equal to 1. We are adding x 1 upon x, y, z to k as well, right? Now, since x is the smallest of all, अगर 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z 1 से बड़ा है और x y से बड़ा है, I mean x is less than y is less than z, so I can say 1 upon x is greater than 1 upon y is greater than 1 upon z because these are all positive integers. Can I restrict everything here? Can I restrict? So मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is definitely less than 3 upon x. Is definitely less than 3 upon x or 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x. Because I know that 1 upon y is less than 1 upon x, 1 upon z is also less than 1 upon x. This is greater than 1, we have already proved this. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is definitely greater than 1. Right, so 1 is less than 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z, which in turn is less than 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, which is 3 upon x. So this gives the restriction of x. So that means x is less than 3 here. X is less than 3 here. And in the question it is given that x is greater than or equal to 2. So the only possible value for x is 2. The only possible value of x is 2. So we have found one of the values. So x can only and only be 2. You can pause this video again. I'm giving you one more chance to find the full answer. You can pause this video and try to find the values of y and z in the similar fashion. Right. Now, so x is definitely equal to 2. X is definitely equal to 2. So what we have, let me raise this. So x अगर 2 है, तो यहाँ से if I put 2 here, so I get 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is greater than 1 minus 1 by 2, that means 1 by 2. And now I can use the same thing. Because we know that 1 upon y is greater than 1 upon z. So this will definitely be greater than 1 upon y plus 1 upon y. So 1 upon z is less than 1 upon y. So 2 upon y is greater than 1 upon 2. So that means y is less than 4. And we have already proved that this inequality reduced to 2 less than equal to x is less than y is less than z. And y is less than 4 and y is definitely greater than x. So that means y has to be 3. Y has to be 3. So we get another value. Y has to be 3. This is the only possibility. X is 2, y is 3. Now, to find the value of z, we'll again put the values of x and y here. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon z is definitely less than 1. This is what we had already proved. So यहाँ से we get 1 upon z is less than 1 minus 5 by 6. That means 1 upon 6. So that means, oh, this is greater than 1. This is greater than 1. So 1 upon z is greater than 1 upon 6. That means z is less than 6. So that means z can be 4 or 5. But it is given that GCD of x and z is 1. So that means z cannot be 4, z has to be 5. Z has to be 5. So the only solution to this question is 2, 3 and 5, and that is it. So 235 is the only solution to this particular question. I hope you all got this. Take care.